his music is saying "F you" to the audience, but in a really beautiful way. It's like, "You, I love you. Now let me play you some beautiful music." You know, so there's this feeling like they're gonna do whatever they want and assert their own will and not worry about how it's being understood or whatever. Yet the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
What's up, y'all? What's up? Back here with another video. Today I'm driving the 03 Silverado, and I thought this would be a cool little POV drive, just being that I don't really get to drive a truck like this all the time, and it's just like nostalgia from back in the days. Truck still gets up. Oh, I believe this one has the 6.0. If I'm not mistaken. You know what? We'll go through here. Well, guys, other than she's absolutely completely slow, she does feel like she gets up a little bit. So that felt pretty nice. Here it is for the nighttime. Well, this 6.0 sounds amazing. I'll tell you what. And she don't even have an exhaust or nothing. I can only imagine how this 6.0 would sound. Well. I just love the way this truck looks. Love the way it sounds. Just love all of that. Still has the original radio. Still chumbles around. Everything, guys. This thing is still killer. I mean, like I said, I love this thing. This is my work truck, however. So when I do drive this thing, I like to have fun in it. It is a work truck, but fuck it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is badass. Well, I passed up that sheriff again. Hopefully he doesn't come back and pull me over. Nah, he's not. Gates closed, yeah. Damn, y'all. She's pretty warmed up, boys. All right, y'all. Let me know if y'all like that little video, this clip of the driving in 2003 1500 660. Alrighty, guys. Guess what I'm driving today? Oh, sorry about that. Let's go. Guys, if y'all didn't know, this is my favorite model year of truck to drive. The 03 through the 07. I don't know what it is about this interior. It just kills me. I love it too much. If this was a truck that I was able to have as a vehicle for high school or anything, this would be it. And it's a single cab. I just wish I had a single cab, guys. Y'all don't realize. I'm a 4-door bitch. I'm used to 4 doors. This thing does only have 34,000 miles, guys. And look at this thing. I mean, man, this thing's just killer. I don't know. Some of y'all may not think this is killer, but to me, this is. Everything still works. Original radio. I just love this thing.